push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back for another video with your girl. So today is gonna be a little different. I'm hyped because I'm about to try to do my little first prank on my husband. You know what I'm saying? Pray for me, okay? But anyway, I'm getting ready to hide his car and see how he reacts. So what you guys about to witness is me pulling my first prank on my husband. So let's get to it. All right.
You got my car. Somebody got my car. You see my car? Deal? You come here, you keep right here. Keep your Chicago. Keep right here.
Chicago.
What you mean right here?
You ain't park nowhere else?
He went to go find it, y'all. He went to go find that motherfucking car. We ain't parked it far enough, y'all. He went right across the barefoot out the bed, y'all. Y'all. So I'm gonna consider this to be like an epic fail prank because we took off running barefooted through the woods and found the car on the other side. But anyway, comment Team Missy all day down in the comment section down below.
What you say, Nana? Nana, what you say?
I was asking who was going to this food and you don't eat it.
I know you said something about my mommy.
Give her a piece of bologna.
I don't want to. You can bless it.
Why?
I'm tired. I need to give me something for myself.
Well, why you in there? Why you get a piece of bologna out the pack and give it to her?
You can get up and get it.
Boy, don't play with me and I gave you a car yesterday. I dropped you out the window. You forgot about that? You right there in the kitchen. Ain't like I asked you to come from downstairs to do it.
I'm just saying.
All that time you wasting, you could have gave it to her by now.
I know.
Why you getting yours, or after you get yours, give her a piece of bologna?
I don't want too.
She don't want to. Okay.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. What is
Man, you supposed to keep on going till she get up.
You supposed to keep on going till she get up.
Trash.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you want to see me try to do more pranks, comment down below. If you got any good pranks that I might can just get my family with because they're so hard to prank, let your girl know. Comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, budget and love it. Bye.